Looking to upgrade your kitchen essentials? A 10-piece cookware set is the perfect balance of variety and value, giving you everything from fry pans to stockpots in one bundle. Whether you're a home chef or just starting out, the right set ensures durability, even heating, and easy cleanup. We've rounded up the top 5 best 10-piece cookware sets that combine performance, style, and convenience to make cooking effortless. Number 1. CAROTE Pots and Pan Set Non-Stick. The CAROTE Pots and Pan Set Non-Stick is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a durable, stylish, and practical cookware collection. Crafted with reinforced die-cast aluminum construction, this set ensures long-lasting reliability while maintaining a lightweight design, making it easy to handle during everyday cooking. One of the standout features is its premium granite non-stick coating, which boasts 10x Ultra non-stick performance. This not only allows for healthier cooking with less oil but also ensures that food releases effortlessly, keeping your meals safe and enjoyable. Cleaning is equally stress-free, just a simple wipe with a paper towel or a quick rinse with water is usually enough. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for maximum longevity. Thanks to its extended bottom design, the cookware heats quickly and evenly across all stovetops, including induction, eliminating hot spots and providing consistent cooking results. The set includes everything you need: 9.5-foot fry pan, 11 fry pan, 2 QT saucepan with lid, 4.5 QT stockpot with lid, 4.5 QT saute pan with lid, spatula, and steamer. Backed by a 12-month warranty, CAROTE guarantees peace of mind and reliable support for any quality concerns. A perfect blend of performance, convenience, and style. Number 2. T-fal Pro Stainless Steel Cookware Set. The T-fal Pro Stainless Steel Cookware Set is designed for home cooks who demand professional performance and long-lasting durability in their kitchen. Built with heavy-duty tri-ply stainless steel construction, this set ensures consistent performance for years and meets the highest standards, being NSF certified for professional quality. Equipped with everything you need, the set includes 8-inch and 10.5-inch fry pans, 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans with premium glass lids, and a 6-quart Dutch oven with lid, making it perfect for everything from quick sautés to hearty family meals. Its fully bonded design guarantees fast and even heat distribution across all cooktops, including induction, while preventing hot spots for perfectly cooked dishes every time. Not only is this set efficient, but it's also a stylish addition to your kitchen. The mirror finish exterior and polished interior add a modern touch, while the riveted cast handles provide a secure and comfortable grip. For added convenience, the cookware features easy-to-read measuring marks, is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lids up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and is fully dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleanup. With a limited lifetime warranty, the T-fal Pro set is a smart investment in both durability and performance. Number 3. Calphalon 10-piece non-stick cookware set. The Calphalon 10-piece non-stick cookware set is an excellent choice for everyday cooking, combining durability, performance, and convenience in one sleek package. Made from hard anodized aluminum, this cookware resists corrosion and warping, ensuring it withstands years of regular use while maintaining consistent heat for perfectly cooked meals. The set includes everything you need for versatile cooking: 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans with covers, a 3-quart saute pan with cover, and a 6-quart stockpot with cover. Each piece is designed with a durable 2-layer non-stick interior, which not only prevents food from sticking but also makes cleanup quick and easy. Simply wipe down or hand wash with a non-abrasive sponge or brush. For safety and comfort, the cookware features long silicone stay-cool handles, allowing you to cook confidently without worrying about burns. Additionally, all pieces are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it easy to transfer dishes from stovetop to oven. Crafted with PTFE, aluminum, stainless steel, and other premium materials, this set is built to deliver reliable cooking results. If you want a dependable cookware set that balances performance and ease of use, Calphalon delivers. Number 4. Circular Non-Stick Cookware Pots and Pan Set. The circular non-stick cookware pots and pan set is a versatile and reliable choice for home cooks who want durable performance and effortless convenience in the kitchen. This 10-piece Radiance collection combines robust construction with advanced non-stick technology, ensuring long-lasting use and stress-free cooking. Engineered with the total non-stick system, featuring raised circles and premium quality coating, this set provides exceptional food release and cleanup that lasts 10 times longer than standard non-stick surfaces. You can cook with confidence knowing your meals won't stick, and cleaning is as simple as a quick wipe or a run through the dishwasher. The cookware is crafted from heavy-duty hard anodized aluminum, delivering fast, even heating without hot spots for consistent cooking results. Designed for versatility, each piece is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, features tempered glass lids, and is equipped with dual-riveted stainless steel handles for strength and comfort. This set includes all the essentials: 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans with lids, 6-quart stockpot with lid, 3-quart covered sauté pan, 8.5-inch frying pan, and 10-inch frying pan. While suitable for all stovetops except induction, it offers dependable, everyday convenience with professional-grade performance. Number 5. Martha Stewart 10-piece Pots and Pans Cookware Set. The Martha Stewart 10-piece Pots and Pans Cookware Set is a stylish and practical collection designed to bring both elegance and functionality to your kitchen. Thoughtfully curated, this set includes 2 aluminum saucepans with lids, 1-quart and 2.5-quart, 2 frying pans, 8-inch and 10-inch, a 5-quart sauté pan with lid, and a 5.5-quart Dutch oven with lid, everything you need for daily meals and family feasts. Crafted from heavy-gauge aluminum, the cookware promotes uniform heat distribution, ensuring your recipes cook evenly without hot spots while locking in flavor. The durable porcelain enamel exterior not only adds a glossy, attractive finish but also resists stains and discoloration, keeping your kitchenware looking new longer. Inside, the set features a reinforced triple-layer platinum SR non-stick coating, free from PFOA, that provides an exceptionally smooth cooking surface. This makes it healthier, as you can cook with less oil, while also guaranteeing effortless food release and quick cleanup. For safety and durability, the cookware is fitted with stainless steel riveted handles, ensuring a strong, comfortable grip during cooking. Combining timeless design with reliable performance, this Martha Stewart set makes cooking both easier and more enjoyable.